how to add or import GitHub repo to Lovable. Open up Lovable, click on your icon in the bottom left, and then go into settings. From here, you will see connectors. You just want to click on connectors here or GitHub directly and connect your account. You will need to connect your account here in order to sync it. Now, once you have your GitHub account connected, then we can go back here and open up the app which you want to import the repo for. So right here, what we need to do is to open up GitHub and manually import the code, because currently it is not going to be supported as a prompt here. As you can see, it tells us that it is not supported. So what we have to do is open up GitHub and clone it. So basically, you will open up your GitHub project, click on code, and here you have different options of cloning. So we're just going to copy this. And then what we have to do is go back into Lovable and give it the prompt, copy this, and you will just paste the link which we copied. Here, it should manually begin integrating it, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.